Today we'll be discussing the essential features of a map. Students, during my last video lecture, I have discussed three important points: sketch and plan, and another point we have discussed was essential feature of a map, in which I have taken only one point, that was scale. We have discussed scale so far, the types of scale and definition of scale. Now in this video lecture we are going to see another important features of map. Students, as I said you that without these essential feature, the map looks very unscientific. If there is no direction, no scale, no legends, no arrangements of grid, it is not a proper and authentic map. So let's see the another important essential feature: direction. Actually there are four main directions, that is called as cardinal direction. The north, south, east and west are called as cardinal direction, and in between these four main directions exist intermediate directions. Between north and east there is a northeast direction, between south and east southeast direction, between south and west southwest direction, and north and between north and west is called as northwest direction. So in between these four direction, these are called as intermediate direction. Now the question comes, student, from where we get reference for this direction? First of all, we indicate north. From where we get north? We get north from geographical north. And what is the main source of geographical north? On our earth there is a two poles. There are two poles, north and south poles. So we take reference from north poles. Now second question comes, from where the north poles get the direction? It is taking reference from the pole star. Pole stars always indicating towards the north. So with the help of that we take the north direction, and once if we get the north direction, we easily indicate south, and in the right hand side we can indicate east, and in the left hand side one can indicate west. So these are called as cardinal direction. For the four main direction is called as cardinal direction, and in between them there are intermediate direction. Now move on to the title. Student, title is also very important as far as essential features of map is concerned, because titles, as we first of all, if you observe the map, the title written on it is always indicate about the information which maps bear. So it immediately tells us about the information that a maps bears. For example, if there is a written on the upper side of the map, if the heading is given physical map, then definitely we will immediately come to know that it is about physical features of the earth. Now question comes, I have already explained, physical features are the natural features like mountain, plains and plateaus, valleys. These are nothing but natural features. So if it is about the physical features, definitely it will give you all the ideas and information regarding the physical features. So title possess or all the information regarding the matter. Now legend, what are legends? Actually legends are also called as conventional signs and symbols. If you students, I will put a simple question in front of you. If you want to represent police station, schools, hotels, parks, these are called as human made features on the map. Can you represent it or as it is on the map? No, it is not possible, because we can't bring such a large paper. So that's why we can't indicate all this on the map. So in order to indicate all this human made features as well as natural features like mountain, plain, plateaus, we need to make some signs and symbols. We can represent it through some signs and symbols and colors. And now question comes that which are these signs and symbols? For examples, it is internationally accepted by the whole world, and these signs and symbols are accepted by the whole world, and it is given in the form of different colors, sign and symbol. Through the help of these signs and symbols, we can easily represent the legends on the map, these features on the map. Now next is essential feature is grid. With the help of grid, what is grid? Let me explain. Grid is nothing, it is a grid, a set of lines which are made up of horizontal and vertical line. You can see clearly on the board, these horizontal lines are called as latitudes, and these vertical lines are called as longitudes. So these grids are nothing but it's a set of horizontal and vertical lines. Now these horizontal and vertical lines makes a grid, and further that grid is used for locating places on the earth's surface. Students, we can further divide these latitudes into degrees. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Further we divide each minute into 60 seconds. So 1 degree equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So you can clearly see there is an arrangement of latitudes and longitudes which further help for locating the different places on our earth surface. It is always presented in degrees. Okay, so up to here students, I have explained the essential features of a map. In the next video lecture we are going to see the next topic, different natural features, or you can say that physical features, which are very important as far as geographical knowledge is concerned. So we'll see all these physical feature in detail, like meanders and rivers, tributaries, distributaries, deltas, and we will also explain another important topic, plates, the movements of plates in detail in next video. Till then, keep revising all this. Have a nice day.